Let's go.
Camera's not even pointing. What the fuck? Motherfuckers ain't wait for me, man. Ain't wait for me.
I'm fucking sweaty. Golly, I'm fucking sweating like crazy. Holy moly. Arizona, baby. Pythons away. First someone steals my shit.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
That's it, nice. That's it, nice. Nice, so I get to 5, I'll do good.
5?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh shit, you hit it.
Did I hit it?
You hit it. That shit cheating, bro. He bounced out. Lucky as fuck.
I'm gonna
Damn, almost got all of them.
Oh shit, it worked.
I told you.
Oh, my fucking camera's not even pointing.
I just scored that shit. POV. This man studying that shit?
I tried to curve it.
Nah, it almost bounced out again too.
I was trying to curve it, but it didn't work.
It almost bounced out again.
Damn. This fucking ball sucks.
You going?
This one's mine. Let me see. You use a 13? Dying in your arms tonight.
What's the thing? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? When did you become all good at this shit?
I told you. Look where we're at now.
What the fuck?
What did I tell you? 5, my 1.
Oh shit, oh shit. Wow! Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, a little too hype for a second.
You're beating Isaac.
Oh fuck you, dig. Alright, let me see that shit. Ooh,
Oh,
so close, so close.
I'll wait for that ball to come back.
Got locked in, Clyde. I'm coming after that ass. That ass mine. All that shit. Damn.
What?
Damn, he getting nervous. He's getting nervous. I know. He's getting nervous, Clyde. Don't get nervous. Look at that shit. Right behind him. 4 to 3.
What the hell, bro?
Fuck. Dying in your arms tonight.
Let me get the other side.
Oh.
Damn.
What'd you do?
Hit me with the camera on my nose. I was like, fucking.
The camera's all fucking dirty now. Fuck!
I guess the 10 right now is my lucky one.
Fuck you. Freaking virgin at bowling.
I'm trying to go for more speed.
We should have put bumpers on.
Huh?
We should have put bumpers on.
I'm gonna hit that shit hard. Sniper.
I was gonna say, shut the fuck up, Clyde, and let me put the ball. No.
That's some bullshit.
Nah, that's fucking bullshit, bro. That shit was right there, bro. I got fucking hoed. That shit was so close. Fuck. I'm getting better. I'm getting better.
There's no point. No way.
What the fuck? It fell at the last second. Alright.
I'm like that. I'm like that.
Alright.
I'm like that.
Get in there. In his ear. You ain't gonna make this shit, Kalijah. You ain't never gonna make this shit. Damn, getting in his ear. Damn, actually that's pretty good.
You gotta
Fuck.
stop talking shit.
I know. I'm fucking winning. So close. Noise? I already know. I'm gonna get karma.
It's not even up yet.
I thought it was gonna come up before I hit it.
You got it stuck, you asshole. Oh no, game's done.
Oh. No way. Slower. I got fucked. Overall, yeah. Maybe. And then they won that. They had 1 point. I think they won the last one. Put your shit back. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Imagine I'm like, that was my stink a little.
I need a beer.
You get something to drink? Get a drink?
Let's do the punching machine.
I was literally about to say that, dude. I'm done.
I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous, Enrique. Damn! Damn! Hey! I didn't know you're going pro. Damn! Oh shit!
For the vlog, right? Watch out!
8:30.
8:30.
Kalijah, you want to try?
Kalijah, go for that shit. You already bought the card. What do you mean you're not gonna play it? Let's go, Kalijah. It's our fucking tank build. Our tank build right here. Yeah, I hit my rib.
Alright.
Why'd you do your hammer, like, bro?
I haven't done this in a very long time.
Use your knuckle, bro.
Let me try it with your left.
Let me get one more on my right. I get one more and then I'll do that.
That was good. You're getting up there. Getting up there.
When you go from
It doesn't feel the same.
Alright, when you go from your chin and push it like that, you put way more power than going back here.
You wanna go?
Don't go through it. If you just go like that,
Oh, my bad.
way too much power.
He's about to start fucking shadow boxing on me. You wanna go? Oh, no,
I don't got power. Just speed.
You don't have fucking nothing, Kalijah. You don't have shit. You have fucking gummy bear bills.
Put some
Yes.
pressure to it, then you might be able to hit more too.
Maybe. This one, try like running up on it.
Round
Try that shit.
Want me to round it up? I can
Yeah.
try, but I'll probably miss.
Damn. Oh shit.
I'll try round it up.
Don't talk about my mama like that. No. Kalijah, come on, bro.
I don't hit hard.
Okay, well, fucking, you don't have fast either. Come on, just hit it. Just try it. Just try it. You already paid fucking $25 for that shit. Just fucking try it.
something else, but I already
Bro,
I don't got
come
power.
on, bro. Okay, it's for fun, bro. Just hit it. Just hit it. It's not that serious. Now I have to wait after fucking David. Let's go, David.
Should we try it straight and see how? See.
That's what I just did. What do you mean, like a jab or a straight?
Oh, right. Look, cross. See whose cross is stronger?
Okay.
Ass crack.
Damn. He's lucky like a sleeper. Like he don't look that big, but he freaking got it like that. Let's go. Throw it straight. Throw it straight. Don't.
Hammer fist it again.
No, you didn't. 500. Alright.
Oh, that one actually hurt.
How did you hurt yourself, Elijah?
No, I said that one actually hurt.
Yeah, how did it hurt?
Because I used these ones. I missed it.
Elijah, how do you fucking miss a target that's not moving? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. You wanna go now?
That was as much as this is freaking hook.
I know. It's okay. Elijah's about to fucking nail this shit.
I know, everybody leave.
Talk about your mama, Elijah. You said your mom was a bitch. B-I-T-C-H.
There we go. There.
See? What the fuck? You weren't even trying, bro. This motherfucker doesn't even try.
That shit hurt my waist.
I'm gonna fucking run up on it. Fucking headbutt this shit.
You fucking see this shit.
Back up.
Back up. Send some shockwaves through here. Alright, you wind it up on that one.
Yeah, I said I was going to.
Let me do it how you do it. You start from all the way back there and you throw your force into that shit.
Yeah.
No.
Make Elijah get one. Wind up, Elijah. Motherfucker just kicked your little sister, bro. Just kicked her. At the playground. Dude, what is this gay shit you're fucking doing? What is this?
I want to actually hit right here.
Well, stop hitting right there. It's not moving, Elijah.
I know.
How are you missing?
I'm trying to wind up on it.
No, that was fucking terrible. Holy shit. I hope we never get into a fight with you, bro. Just cuz.
There you go.
There you go. Attaboy, Elijah. There you go. See, you do got power to it. You got power, you just don't fucking use that shit. What the fuck? You be like trying to like act all nonchalant and shit.
I really don't got power, to be honest with you.
Elijah, you just hit like fucking 802.
Barely.
What are you throwing, a jab or?
I was just
Alright. You hit that shit so fast, the thing got a huge delay to it.
Did it?
You want me to try with my left?
You'll probably get like 80.
Actually gonna slap it?
You're talking shit to your girl.
Bitch, slap that foot. No, man. 585?
What the fuck was this recording? 585.
Fucking bitch!
I didn't wind up at all.
I know.
Elijah, I say 200.
What?
Nah, I think you get more. I think you get 300.
He's got a girl's hand, so I'll say about that.
Yeah, 400. 400 on the dot.
Oh, you did the record. That's nice.
Almost.
Oh yeah, just about.